announce them.
And now on the 5-axle course, we have driver number 507, Scott Misho, of Performance Food Service from Springfield, Massachusetts. Scott has been with Performance for the past 20 years. He's had 14 years of accident-free driving and has accumulated 598,000 accident-free miles. He's been a trucker for 21 years. This is Scott's 4th time competing in this competition, and in 2010, he was the first place winner in the 3-axle division.
Woohoo!
His beautiful wife, Bridget, is here, and they've been married for 25 years. They have 3 kids, and Jessica is also here representing
I was going to get this
Scott.
picture blown up for Ryan to get
He
from
enjoys
Father's Day.
off-roading and he's a trail
He's standing there
guy.
like coaching him before
He's
he
an
got ready
avid
for
New York Yankees fan.
That's cute.
Good luck, Scott.
Yay, Daddy! Stop it. Everything keeps popping up. No, you guys aren't.
Slap me.
All my notifications keep popping up while I'm trying to get this.
Official man?
40.
Oh, her man.
Her man, my daddy.
Oh, awesome. I mean, get your man.
I got it. You got it. 35.
Now heading out on our straight short course is driver number 209, Steve Tribe of Nicholas & Company from Salt Lake City, Utah. Steve's been with Nicholas for 13 years and has had 12 years of accident-free driving. He's accumulated 275,000 accident-free miles.
Which
And
guy?
he's been in the
Thank
trucking
you.
industry for 16 years.
Thank you very much.
This is Steve's 4th time competing in the competition, and in 2009, he took home first place in the 5-axle division.
Are you serious?
He's married
Awesome.
to his enchanting wife Monica, and they've been married for 4 years, and they have 8 kids together.
Alright,
He's a
come on,
scout
Dad.
leader
Come on,
and likes
Dad.
to do off-roading. Good luck, Steve.
Baby. Come on, Daddy. Go, 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 go.
Middle school, girlfriend and I at work. Her daughter's in middle school. And they put $900. Okay.
Plus they have to go to Goldsboro. You know that, right?
Yeah. Plus, she made it JD.
Nope, nope. Didn't get a 50.
So the school will pay for that?
Come on, give us a big number. 40. All right.
And do you know that Kim's daughter?
You guys are fine.
One of them did it. They both made the team. One for high school, one for junior high, and they both do it. And they did it. No, they're not in the
Yeah, he is.
Think I need them? Then they both go to Goldsboro.
Come on, Dad. Come on, come on, come on.
Right. Well, Brianna was going. She did her back handspring. She was doing her back handspring. And
Where is he going?
gave way. And she's bent her. She hurt
He didn't
her
hit
wrist.
any on my. He
No,
didn't hit any on my side.
She said it hurt.
My side's fine. How's your side?
Now heading out on the 5-axle course, we have driver number 508, Mike Nashville of McLean Food Service in Arlington, Texas. Mike has been with McLean for the past 16 years. For the past 13 years,
Come on,
he's been
Daddy.
accident-free, accumulating 1.5 million accident-free miles. He's been a trucker for the past 20
His goal is
years.
always.
This is Mike's 3rd time competing in the competition.
Nice.